Often used in conjunction with these items is the optional adjustable ladder extension module. This robust ladder support telescopes in 3 stages with 6 locking pins and accommodates up to a 16-foot ladder. An important safety note, the adjustable ladder extension module keeps the worker at this height inside the footprint of the HEPACART. When not in use, the module collapses and folds down. To use the adjustable ladder extension module, remove both locking pins and rotate the system vertical and lock into place. Then adjust the ladder cleats to the appropriate ladder size and angle. Release all 6 pins from the safety lock position to the free position. Start at the top, sliding it up to the 4th hole and lock the pins. If this is the desired height to work, lock the bottom 4 pins. To go higher and accommodate a 10-foot ladder, slide the 2nd section up and lock in the 3rd hole. If this height is desired, lock the bottom 2 pins. The 3rd and last section accommodates taller ladders up to 16 feet. Slide the 3rd and final section up past the 1st hole and lock those pins into place. This is the maximum height of the adjustable ladder extension module. When finishing with the above ceiling work, repeat the process in reverse. Hold the support and release the pins. Use caution when lowering. Make sure all pins are locked in place. Rotate the system down and lock it back in the horizontal position. Thanks for watching the HEPACART demonstration, and good luck with the next project.